Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. And if you're watching this video, then it's for sure that you don't have a webcam and you want to convert your phone into a webcam. So this is the right place you have come to. All we need is a simple little tool software which is called this iRuin webcam. This is so simple that this doesn't need any video. iRuin webcam. Go to this site, iRuin webcam for Windows, download it, save it. Once you get it, install it, run it. I had already installed one, so I'm trying to install it again. A number of cameras you can select. I selected one. Next, install, run. So as you can see, it is connected on your laptop, on your computer. So you'll have to install this software on your phone also, on your Android phone. So in your phone, you need to go to the Play Store and search iRuin. Just that simple. Just go and install it. And then after you install it, it will show like open. I had already installed it in my phone. So now also you need to be on the same network. Like you can connect your phone to your computer through a Wi-Fi hotspot or USB tethering, whatever you're comfortable in. There it is. And you need to get connected. Once it is connected, you can see in the computer that it has connected. Also in here you can select different variants of resolution. It goes up to 4K because my phone supports 4K, that is why. There it is. Also you can change your back camera to front camera. Back. There it is. I prefer the back camera because your back camera is way better in quality, so use your back camera. That's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. Not yet. So let me tell you one thing. When you connect your phone through the iRuin with your network, what it does is it shows up in your computer as a camera, physical camera. As you can see in the device manager, it has shown up here as an iRuin webcam. That means the computer is taking it as a physical camera. So now if you go to the Google Meet, it will use your phone's camera as a webcam. As you can see here, this is my hand in front of the camera. So you can continue now. If this video helped you, just leave a like. Thank you so much for watching.